Original Teaching, Experience Brings Transformation. Part 4 of 6, Genesis, Day 8, Genes, Genetics, and Genealogy. Look around the world at all the countries and races therein. Genetics is self-evident. There are many variants of the Elohim's man, as too Lord God's Adam man. The last variant was the Caucasian man, whereby the man received an improvement to bring us into the age of technology. It's all about genes and genetics here on Earth. It's like a Noah's Ark. Turning genes on, turning genes off. Splice and dice, mix and match, etc. They are forever concerned about genes, genetics, and genealogy, the family tree. Ever since long before the record of Genesis, genetic alterations of the man are self-evident in the fossil records. Man has been an ongoing synthetic evolution. The most common adjustment is to the neurogenics. There are 50 chapters in the book of Genesis about the generative principle and genetics. They are now, as they have always been, obsessed with genetics dating back thousands of years, as recorded in Genesis 5:1 reading, the book of the generations of Adam. Genetics is the major part of life here on earth. However, please note in this passage, Genesis 5:1, someone has blended Genesis chapter 1 and 2 to make it appear that the word God in chapter 1 and Lord God in chapter 2 are the same being. They are not. We read in Genesis 30:37 where Jacob, a sheep farmer, is performing an ancient breeding experiment to get more spotted sheep. And where did our cats, dogs, mules, etc. come from today? We also read that they kept a registry of genealogy, and the genealogy had become polluted. Recalling that on the 8th day of the creation, Lord God shows up with seeds for plants and herbs of the field and the beasts of the field, fowl of the air, cattle, and a design for a new man, Adam. Corruption entered into Lord God's creation through the serpent, a creation of the Elohim, which Lord God altered. For while you are still of the flesh, with jealousy and strife, you are of the flesh, carnal, and behaving in a beastly way. From cover to cover, the Bible is about good and evil, about Satan trying to stop the coming of Jesus, and when that failed, he tried to kill Jesus, from the cradle until Jesus gave Satan permission through Judas. Today, it's about polluting and destroying the teachings of Jesus, destroying the name and existence of Jesus. And he made from one man, one blood, every nation of mankind to live on all the face of the earth.